Preparation is important. A good job of preparation will ensure that your UCoated floor will look great and last for years and years. Before you begin, make sure that the outside temperature is at least 68 degrees and your floor is shielded from wind or blowing debris. Since the weather's good, let's begin. After removing everything from the floor, we swept the entire floor thoroughly and rinsed it. Repeat this sweep and rinse until the floor is completely clean. With the floor clean, you can evaluate it to identify any problem areas. Using the evaluation sheet from your instructions, examine the entire floor, checking off any of the conditions that apply. In this video, we're dealing with a concrete floor in good general condition with stains from grease or oil, some cracks, and other minor finish concerns. If your evaluation indicates any other problem, refer to the written instructions for tips on how to deal with them, or consider a toll-free phone call for technical assistance. Stains are the most common condition found. This isn't a serious problem and you can deal with it very easily. If you purchase the optional U-Prep kit, we include an excellent degreaser and stain remover. USolve alternative products are available at your local hardware store. The easiest way to determine if a stain is a problem is to perform the water test. Mist some water over the stained area and see if it beads up. Follow the directions on the degreaser and repeat the water test. When the water no longer beads, you're ready to continue. Do this for all the stains you find. Previously painted and sealed concrete will prevent a proper and thorough preparation of the concrete surface they cover, as well as prevent a direct and penetrating bond of the UCoated product to the exposed concrete. It is always recommended you first remove any existing paints or sealers before coating. Removal of sealers and paints can be accomplished in a number of ways. The most effective way is probably a combination of chemically stripping and power washing away the residue. Local hardware and builder supply stores carry the liquid paint removers that are environmentally safe and water washable. Start by applying these liberally over the painted surface and while wet with the solution, cover with plastic to keep the solution from drying out. Check the effectiveness of the stripper and reapply as necessary. The paint remover will leave a dry residue of loose and softened paint that can easily be scraped off of the concrete floor surface, swept, and then disposed of. Check with your local regulations as to the best disposal procedures for the waste. It is important to wash away residual paint and chemicals so that these don't affect UCoat bonding to the concrete. Now we're ready to prepare the floor surface by etching it with the pool or muriatic acid. Fill your mixing bucket 3/4 full of water and pour in 1/2 the acid. Stir it a little to make sure it's evenly diluted. Pour the solution evenly over the entire floor area and use the stiff-bristled broom to scrub the solution around on the floor. Then rinse the solution away. Repeat the scrub and rinse procedure twice and soak up any puddles you make. Once you rinse the etching solution away, you'll be ready to begin the coating step. Before you start applying the coating, you'll want to mask off any floor attachments like moldings, drain plates, or door thresholds.